What if your everyday videos could look like they came straight from the future? Not with expensive software, not with complicated VFX, just using Filmora. Today, I will show you how to transform ordinary footage into something futuristic by using AI transitions, AI effects, and AI titles. Hey everyone, welcome back to WOWANAND. Today, we are diving into Filmora's latest creative challenge, Reality Overclock Project. Put your visuals into future mode. Instead of just adding flashy effects, we are going to create smooth motion, futuristic transitions, and cinematic energy that completely changes how your footage feels. So let's dive in. Firstly, open Filmora. Then, import your clip here. Now, add it to the timeline. Then, remove unwanted parts of the clip. After that, organize it in this way. Now, it's ready to apply AI transitions. So, come to Transition section. Then, click on AI Transition. From here, we will apply these transitions into our clips. Now, we will apply first transition, that is, digital transition. For applying it, simply drag and drop like this. It will take a couple of seconds. While it's generating, we will add another transition. And the second one is liquid silver transition. Similarly, next transition is Blue Thunder Awake. After it, other transition is Lighting Surge Forward. Here you can see that some results are generated. Watch this. Now, we will apply AI effect. So, come to Effect section. Then, click on AI effect. Now search Inferno Grip. And then apply it to the image by drag and drop. Similarly, we will add another effect. That is, Thunder Orbit. Now, all results are generated successfully. After that, we will add AI title. So, come to Title section. Then, click on AI title. After that, choose any of these. For example, I am using this. Simply change your text only and it will take some seconds to give result. Now I am adding audio into it. After that, I am applying cinema effect from Effect section. And now, we are adding adjustment layer for some color correction. Now it's ready to export. Here's the final result after combining smooth camera transitions, AI effects, and futuristic titles. Notice how the movement flows naturally from one scene to another. That's what creates the feeling of entering a new dimension. And that's how you can transform ordinary footage into a futuristic cinematic experience using Filmora. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to WOWANAND, and let me know in the comments which AI transition or effect was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cinematic tutorial.